Airking Schmidt Maschinenbau. Since 1929, we stand for competent, reliable, as well as individualized manufacturing of cylinders, machining, and assembly. Made in Germany. As a service, we offer our customers and interested parties native CAD data of our cylinders. Please visit www.airking-cylinder.de or directly our part community portal. Here you can find our Airking and multi-cylinders. The Airking cylinder has a square basic design with cylinder or roller bearing. It is used in automation when many strokes are executed. It has a particularly long durability and a strength that is in no way inferior to pneumatic cylinders. Multi-cylinders are equipped with plain bearings and can be used for clamping tasks, for example. Thanks to their special design, they are extremely flexible and several cylinders can be connected in series. On the product page, you will find the product configurator and a 3D preview. In the product preview, you can rotate and zoom the selected part. Using drop-down menus and sliders, you can customize the part according to your needs. Once you have made your selection, you can download a PDF datasheet and native CAD files. To do this, simply log in with your part community account or create a new one for free. Open the format selection and choose your preferred format from over 150 different ones. If you have not found the right cylinder, we also offer individual special cylinders. You can make a request easily via the quotation form on the part community or contact us directly. info@airking-cylinder.de. Airking Schmidt Maschinenbau.